Today, the 10th class, chapter 2, Ideas of Democracy. Coming to the topics, the World Bank Report 2012 and UNDP Report 2013. Today we discuss the two organizations, the first one World Bank Report and second one UNDP Report. These two are also important to identification of the developments of the countries. Now we identify first per capita income. What is meant by per capita income? See, World Bank Report 2010. The World Bank report based on the per capita income. Per capita income. What is meant by per capita income? Per capita income means total income by size of population. Size of population, then we can get the per capita income. This is the main formula to identification of the per person that income in that country. Per capita income means total income by size of population. This is per capita income. And next, the UNDP report has Human Development Index, means education, health and per capita income. The three aspects are most important of the UNDP report. UNDP report 2013. Education plus health plus per capita income. These are Human Development Index. World Bank depends on the per capita income. UNDP depends on the HDI. Those reports are also important for the development of the country indication. Now, World Bank classifications. The World Bank classifications can be divided into three categories. World Bank report or classifications depends on three categories. The first one is more than $10,600. This is it is indication of the developed country. The middle developing countries, it consists of undeveloping countries. The developing countries 1,034 to 12,599. This is 1,034 to $12,599. These index of the countries are developing countries. And the third category is underdeveloped country. Developing country. The underdeveloping country consists of less than $1,035. Three important categories are also identified by the World Bank report. For example, developed country, USA, UK, these are the best examples to developed countries. India is only the developing country. Pakistan and Somalia, these countries are underdeveloped countries. These are the categories of the report of World Bank. And you should take a UNDP report. UNDP report. UNDP report depends on the Human Development Index. What measures are Human Development Index? We can identify some important categories of the UNDP index. That is the first level, education level. Second level is health status. Third level is per capita income. These levels are also important to identification of the UNDP report. And the criteria, it is considered HDI, other aspects of the standard of living and electricity, transport, sanitation, irrigation, and these are the most important other criteria also identified by the UNDP report.